DJM TV.
Sabi country people, una welcome to our ogbonge news for DJM TV. My name na Stanley Okocha. Our news for this time go concern the matter wey just shele for inside Aso Rock. Sake of say, Presido Muhammadu Buhari don give 110 former corpers automatic job for the Naija Federal Civil Service and scholarship for them to go learn more book to any level when them like for any university when they inside Naija when them still like, sake of say they don't serve Naija wella. The Presido yarn this one today for the computer meeting when it concern the 2018/2019 Presido National Service Corps NYSC Honors Award Gbedu when dem do inside State House Conference Center for Abuja. Presido Buhari come yarn say Gbogiri e join the things when they are join the honor when they don't give this former copper so. According to Mr. Femi Adesina, the special advisor to Presido Buhari, him say the Presido don't tell the government agencies when they concern about the things when him just give the ex-copper so make them make sure say them do am quick to reach the coppers sake of as him don yarn am so. He come still tell the 110 former coppers make them not stop to dey do correct things when they do when come make Naija come honor them the way they take honor them so. This one na he talk join when he say make them serve the country well continuously as many more award fit dey for them in the future. For the Presido word, it clear say the young men and women when we dey honor today don do wella for the 4 key programs when e go concern the National Youth Service Corps scheme wey be NYSC scheme. He come talk say out of these 4 so the youth corpers when they dey honor today so get very good pass mark for the matter, and he say these areas go concern the orientation course, their primary assignment, their development service, and their passing out when e be say the way they take the examine corpers when go fit get this special honor, all this 110 former corper they get am wella. He come still yarn say on behalf of the government and good people of Naija, I use my heart to congratulate una when get this honor for una come out gidigba pass una mate for this kind merit too. Una don prove una self to be better ambassador of una one-on-one families and the National Youth Service Corps. I dey proud of una and I believe say this award go give una more mind to give more better service to Naija in particular and humanity for general. Presido Muhammadu Buhari come still use the opportunity take salute the founding fathers when create the National Youth Service scheme, especially General Yakubu Gowon when still join for the computer meeting. He come talk say General Yakubu Gowon and the other people get eye well when e be say they fit see the future and they come make sure say dem create the National Youth Service Corps. He come still yarn am loud say the NYSC remain the key for national oneness when still dey bring join as e dey open Naija young people to different culture and traditions when they make them know Naija resemblance and the place when differences still dey. As the matter dey go, Presido Buhari come say the NYSC scheme dey scatter the walls wey go concern ethnicity, and dey build correct connections, especially good talk for the service year. Dis e say don give more power to Naija young people to join hand to gbege to make sure say we get one nation when e get one vision and destiny, even though na many tongues na im the people when e dey inside Naija dey speak. For the matter when e concern how to give more fuel to power the NYSC scheme, the president come tell the ogas of NYSC make dem make sure say na only the corpers when e get the things when dem need to take do the national youth service scheme na im dem go dey allow to join the service for the year when e be say dem need to serve Naija. Mr. Buhari come still praise the young Naija people when e be say dem dey the national service now as dem join dey for front dey fight the war against the COVID-19 palava. E come say im see the creativity and the spirit of sabi do when dey Naija young people body as dem show when dem begin dey make face mask, hand sanitizer and many machines when they take help dey kpake the spread of COVID-19, and even their big contribution when they dey make to make sure say yes for the area of education, health and society and even the community development area dey get better as dem dey add their own little small quarter. All this one as e talk show say corpers na good agent for development matter. Mr. Presido come use the opportunity to praise the Federal Ministry of Youth and Sport Development for the way dem take dey manage the National Youth Service Scheme program. Im come still tell dem make dem carry on the good work when dem dey do. Im say as dem dey do the good work, e go let dem know say yes, Naija young people don benefit from the 75 billion naira Naija youth investment money, and say this one show say im government get big faith for Naija young people, especially as im put hand to sign the not too young to run bill into law for time when e no still too long. So the high point come be the award giving time as Ayogu Onyinyechi rejoice when serve for Taraba take come kpake first for the 2018 set as she come get the National Council of Women Societies NCWS award for the best woman copper for community development. For im part, Dr. Eze Sunday Victor when serve for Jigawa State come kpake first position for the 2019 set, while Odion Jessica Esoe come kpake second position for the National Council of Women Society NCWS award for the best woman copper for community development. Country people, na here our tori when e shele for this time for hand. We wan thank una for all the time when be say una spend take dey watch us and dey follow us. We wan still use this opportunity take beg una say make una subscribe to our YouTube channel if una never still do so, and make una also dey follow us for all our social media platforms. And if you get anything when be say you get to take contribute to make sure say our news programs dey waka siri werere, make you drop your message for any of our social media handles and we go receive am one time. Until next time when we go still come with the ogbonge tori when we go don dey share at that time, my name remains Stanley Okocha for DJM TV News. Una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.